Understanding adverb clauses can really enhance your writing and speaking skills. Today, let's dive into adverb clauses of reason and purpose, which are essential for explaining why things happen and the intentions behind actions. Let's start with adverb clauses of reason. These clauses answer the question, why, and are introduced by words like because, since, as, and for. For example, consider the sentence, because it was raining, we stayed inside. Here, the clause, because it was raining, explains the reason for staying inside. It's important to note that the clause can come before or after the main clause. You could also say, we stayed inside because it was raining. Both structures are correct, but when the adverb clause comes first, remember to use a comma to separate it from the main clause. Another example is, since I was tired, I went to bed early. The clause, since I was tired, gives the reason for going to bed early. You can also use as in a similar way. As it was getting late, we decided to leave. This shows that the timing influenced our decision. Now, let's shift gears to adverb clauses of purpose. These clauses explain the intention behind an action and are introduced by phrases like so that, in order that, and lest. For instance, she studied hard so that she could pass the exam. Here, the clause so that she could pass the exam clarifies the purpose of her studying. You might also say, he saved money in order that he could buy a car. This structure emphasizes the intention behind saving money. It's interesting to note that lest is a bit more formal and is used to express a precaution. For example, he left early lest he missed the train. This implies that he took action to avoid a negative outcome. When using these clauses, remember that clarity is key. Make sure your reason or purpose is directly linked to the main action. If you say, I wore a jacket because it was cold, the connection is clear. But if you say, I wore a jacket because I like the color, the reason might not be as relevant to the action of wearing a jacket in a cold situation. In summary, adverb clauses of reason and purpose are powerful tools in your language arsenal. They help you articulate why things happen and what your intentions are. Use them to add depth to your sentences and to connect your ideas more effectively. Whether you're writing an essay, giving a presentation, or just having a conversation, these clauses can make your communication clearer and more engaging. So, go ahead and incorporate them into your speech and writing, and watch how they elevate your expression.